Good morning people, it is day 11 of creating one graphic per day for 30 days. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to create this design. Let's get started. So to start this design here, I started by generating a random word from a word online generator. The word is evolution, so I'm going to create a design with evolution. Let's get started. Here we are in Photoshop. So my main idea of when I think of evolution is evolution related to animals, and when I think of animals I wanted definitely to include butterflies in this design, or in general in one design for this 30-day challenge. So why not include it today in this graphic here? So what I'm going to do is create a pedigree chart, let's say, for the different families in the butterfly genre. So I will put all the different types of butterfly and groups, and this will be only one slight and small part of this design. I think I will put it on a side a little bit small, but this will be the more scientific part of this design, since I will be adding all this other info in Wikipedia. So how I'm doing this part of the graphic here is that I'm basically just copying down the graph that I found on Wikipedia, even the actual photo of the butterfly of that specific group. I will just ignore the part of the butterflies related to the unaesthetical butterflies, which are the flies, which are a little bit I don't like them, and I don't want to put here a photo in this graphic here. So I will just put the most nice butterflies of them all. There are a ton of butterflies in each group that I really like, and I think I will definitely create in the future other designs with these butterflies, because just the texture and pattern over the butterfly is just amazing. And this is a really complex design. I will be doing a complex design, but another thing that I wanted to do instead of doing this was to just add the drawings of the butterflies, which are really cool and which will need to be made in another separate design. So if I have the chance to create another thing related with the butterflies, I will use the drawings of the butterflies, since they are amazing. So here I'm just finishing up the different types of the butterflies in this pedigree chart, and now it's time just to focus on adding other types, of course, because there are really a lot of types of butterflies. I'm just selecting the most beautiful butterflies, if it makes sense. Otherwise it wouldn't be a graphic if I put bad butterflies. Here my initial idea was just to use this as a final design.